Today we have JVC's Exofield Theatre surround sound headphones. We're just going to have a look what's in here. We've got European power lead, and we do get a UK power lead with it as well. That's supplied externally outside the box. We get the power brick. Okay. We have a kind of stereo connection or mono connection, and we've got a USB lead there. Instructions. Looks like it takes 4 hours to charge. We have control box. So we've got 3 HDMI in, so 1, 2, 3. We've got an E-arc out there as well. We've got an optical, an optical in, analog in, and power lead as well. What else we got here? We've got a few buttons on here, so slightly raised so you can feel it. So you've got auto standby, input info, sound mode pairing. We've got user data, and then it's like 4 settings, and Exofield button. Then we've got on the front, we've just got a setup connection. It's like the little stereo connector goes in there. We have a nice little bag, material bag to put the headphones in. And finally the headphones. So yeah, we've got some headphones here. So we've got USB for charging here and connecting. Got a setup socket there. Got an input button and an Exofield button. And yeah, we've got each one's labelled. So that's left and that's right. Got a bit of play, increase the size. Yeah, nice.